Hello again, fellow travelers. And today we wanted to show you some things that we forgot to show you at the Cincinnati Museum Center. Yes, there are so many things to do here that we often forget to show you some of the things that kids have to do here. And we make these videos for parents who have children or younger children who want to find activities for their kids and they kind of struggle to do that. There are so many things here at the Cincinnati Museum Center that you often can't squeeze it in one day. So this is a great place to take your kids on a rainy day or on a cold, snowy day. So this video is going to feature the entire length of the cave. I had never recorded it before because I thought it was too dark. What I was doing with this camera is I was trying to get a wide angle shot, but when I zoomed in, you could see pretty well through the cave. So I'm going to show you that. Also, if there's anything else you'd like to see or you have any questions, please leave those in the comments field down below. And always remember to like and subscribe.
The inside of the cave in its entirety at the Cincinnati Museum Center, buddy. Yeah. Say hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Wave to the camera. Hi, Ethan. All right, let's keep going, buddy. Yeah. What is this? So, little passageways back here. Ah, yes. Look at this. Yeah. All right. I think we're just going to post it. There's where the other side of that passageway is. Okay, let's go up the steps. Very cool. Look down there. That's where we were. Grayson's dying to be seen. What's up? That's huge. Looking down. Whoa. Let's go. All right.
I know what the are.
Gypsum, man.
Gypsum.
Gypsum. Say it.
Gypsum.
That's right, gypsum.
So that's her.
Yes, sparkling gypsum deposits. Very cool.
Really cool.
Rock and roll, let's move.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
So this is the hole.
That's the hole. Is Pablo gotta go through that? You go to the other side. I'm too fat.
Okay.
Okay, you tired of this joke? Okay, sit down. All right, let's go.
You carry me.
Carry you?
No.
Crazy.
You carry me.
So Ethan, your mom can probably tell you a little bit about how Dad took us to Mammoth Cave a few times. And we can't drive quite the 3 hours down there. So this is a good alternative. We'll take it, right, buddy? Just do a little miniature cave at the museum. For now, anyway. Let's get rocking and rolling. This is my favorite part of this cave.
So really cool.
You do that one. Let's go.
You go.
Keep going.
You go. So you go.
Keep it that way unless we have a boat. Keep rocking. Let's go. Find your way out. How do we get out of here? We can't go that way. Which way do we go? There we go. You found it. Keep rocking. Let's go.
Mama,
Oh, you did it. You found the exit. Yeah, how do you get out? That's cool. All right. So what do we have here? What is that?
Crab.
It's a crayfish. Yeah.
And that's
You got fishies?
yeah.
That's cool. Hey, stay right there. Watch this. Oh, that's funny. Cool. Hold on. Stay right there for Grandma. Go over there by the fish.
No, this way.
Go over here one more time. Oh, you want that fish? Okay. Got it. All right. Let's see what else they have. Yeah. Drop by drop. Soda straw.
Let's go that way.
Ooh. Yeah. Caves are timelines. Okay. I thought there was supposed to be bats in here. Where are we going now? Ooh, what is that, snake? Can you say snake?
Nick.
Yeah. Let's go to the top part of the cave. Let's show Ethan the top part. Yeah, it's a cave keeper.
Let's go that way.
This way.
No, this way. Hey, let's go down.
We got to get our stroller. Hey, there's another way down though. We can go through the ice cave, remember? Let's go through the ice cave. Come on. Yeah, we got to get our stroller anyway. All right, here we go. Yep.
Look.
Look.
Look at that.
Oh, cool. Point at him again. What is it?
I don't know what that is. I
It's
don't
like a
want- I don't
buffalo
want-
or something.
I don't want- I don't
Come on. You don't want to what? Come on, keep moving. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Oh, it's cool.
We can restore the vitality of the waters. That will help to curb, for example, some surface runoff that will contaminate the river and
Whoa. You're going into a glacier. Come on, dude. Yeah, you go. Go. Feel it? It's not cold. Pretty neat. It's supposed to be ice, man. Keep going, dude. Yeah. It's a big rock, dude. Wow. I like the cave. The ice cave is just as impressive. What's the story for the rock called? Yeah. Let's go, bro. Go fast. Oh, wow, man. That's neat how they get the water to flow. Sharonville, Ohio. I don't remember it looking like this on the way up the Dayton. What's that noise? It's a bird up there. Here's the glacier we just came out of. Usually that rock makes like a lot of noise. Yeah. But it just shows you how things get weathered down. Yeah.
Make that sound.
Make that sound?
This one.
It's all smoothed out. It doesn't make a sound anymore. So rocks slide on top of each other. And it creates friction.
Let's get you. This is fine. Let's do like this.
There's nothing for miles, man.
Hey, get you a fight.
We went back in time. Don't go too far.
Okay.
There's wolves out there. Oh man, they're right there. They're on us. Let's go. Hurry. Let's get out of here. There's giant beavers. There's beavers in the water. Oh no. What? There's ducks. Check it out, man. Did you know that there was PVC pipes keeping the water fresh in ancient times, man? Yeah. Let's not focus too much on that. Oh, moose, man. Check him out. Yeah.
The really big one. Hey, sharker.
Saber-toothed tiger, yeah.
That big sharker. That was the sharker and that was
What is it?
Mongo. Sharker live here. On the big rock.
Cool. All right. Oh my God, Grayson's on the moon. What are we doing here? Make the rover go. We got to program it. We got to tell it what to do, and then say go. There it goes. Just teaching you how to program it, because it could be easy and be like remote control. It's pretty cool.
In the next decade, there are plans to finally return to the moon and establish a permanent settlement there, followed closely by the first human journey into the solar system, to the planet Mars. Great adventure requires us to surmount a great challenge. Overcoming these challenges will be the work of current and future generation. Who are one of you will be part of the next exciting journey?
It'll be Ethan. He's gonna go to the moon, man, and Mars. Back up, buddy. Back up. Get your face in there. There you go. Back up. Back up a little bit more. Your head's kind of small in there. Watch out, buddy. Come on. Wait a minute, bud.
Okay, go ahead.
There he goes. Take a giant.
Abby, Evelyn, Evelyn, Evelyn.
You gonna go up this thing again?
Yeah.
Let me see you go up
No,
it.
not my boyfriend can go with.
Oh, you're playing with your friend?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Have fun.
Stay here. You supposed to stay here.
Okay, you wanna stay here? That's fine. This place is awesome, man.